Hey, Eva, are you dancing? Where did Mommy go? Hey, Eva, are you dancing? Yeah! Eva, show me your dance moves. Good job. You are a special dancer. Good job. Good job.
Are you dancing for Daddy?
She is.
Let's see your dance. Let's see your dance moves. Let's see them. Give Mommy a dance. Yeah, good job. Yeah.
Got the rhythm in her.
Woo-hoo.
Wow. All the way down, huh?
Oh, good job. Dance it? You want to dance with the baby? Yeah. Go ahead, dance. Dance. Your turn. You dance. Yeah. Yeah. You want her to dance? Dance with you? Dance together. Dance together. Dance with her. Yeah. Good job. Beautiful dancing.